We've
Come on,
already
you can do
accumulated
it.
12 dusts.
We're gonna have 100 dust by the time we get past
We
it.
actually are. Okay, go. Please. I just want the crown. That's all I want. I know it's possible. Please.
Just fly, little buddy.
Okay.
Almost drop down there too.
Okay, now what do I have to? I have to time it just right. So I have to like. You know what? That's it. We don't need that crown. We don't need it. We don't need it.
No, I can get it for us.
No, we don't
You
need
did
it.
it
We're
before.
going back later. We don't need
Remember
it.
when we were touching out the level? You did it.
We don't need it.
You did it. A queen sleep.
Okay, this is the last time. A queen sweep?
Did it the fourth time.
Oh, you're a queen now?
Yes, I'm a queen.
Go.
I'm the
Go.
queen
Can I
of
make it in one
peas and
jump?
peas.
I did it.
Okay, now go out the white top.
Ah!
No!
I hate this game. I hate this game.
Cupcake.
I hate this game so much. I hate this game.
This is like only level 3 and we're stuck.
Why?
So the pro kill is right there.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Come on,
Have
now.
to wait.
When that thing comes, drop down.
Jump?
Go.
Okay,
to the thing.
now.
When that thing comes, you drop down.
Okay.
No, don't drop. Just hover. Keep going. That's right. That way. You gotta land on that. If you die here, I'm gonna flip.
Please, please. Come on. What's over here? Ah!
Yes,
It's a portal!
Get in that portal. Get in that portal.
Finally!
Okay, my turn. My turn.
Ah!
Ooh, what's this?
This actually doesn't look very hard.
You peeked too soon. Ooh, I saw this in the trailer that showed you what you did in it. This level I saw.
This is easy.
Yeah.
Why is this so hard? All you have to do is avoid the spikes and not get impaled by them. How hard can it be?
You say that and then I instantly died.
As we already have acquired 14
Wait, I
ducks.
did that without dying. Technical difficulty.
This game is going to be the death of us. Oh.
I don't wanna.
Okay, heal.
So.
No! Why?
I literally haven't moved anyway. Okay, your turn.
Huh?
Okay, come on,
No!
you can do it. You can do it. Come on,
Okay.
come on, come on. It's
Come on. Come on, no.
Touch it. Just a little touch. Now
Don't
jump.
impale the spike. Don't get impaled.
Why would you just walk in? Why? Why?
Okay, go.
Come on, queen tweet.
Come on, please.
A queen
Please.
tweet.
Please. No! Come on.
Come on, you can do it. Oh.
No!
Dustin might crush you. You gotta get on top.
I'm well aware
Get
of
on
that.
Get on top.
What's this? Oh, it's a checkpoint. Please.
Get it. Oh.
Thank God.
You supposed to go that way. No. You have to go back that
well,
way.
I'm going to get this.
Well, you can't get that.
I can't get that.
You gotta go back. You
Uh-huh.
gotta go back.
At least we have
You
a
did it.
check.
Let me do
At
peek,
least
then you
I'm
gotta
pretty
go back.
sure. At least we have a checkpoint.
Okay.
I'm hoping. I am hoping that is a checkpoint.
How about you just die and see for us?
No! No! Ah! Please be checkpoint. Oh, thank God.
Yes.
It
It's
doesn't
much
make
better than any
dying-
other games we played.
Doesn't make dying on this any easier. No!
What are you talking about? Dying on this is super easy.
That's not what I meant.
Give it a little blue
Please,
green.
come on,
tail
please,
it.
please. Please break.
Just Tandale. Just tan on it and you'll be fine, see?
Okay, how am
You
I
gotta-
supposed to do this?
Gotta just grab it and die.
Ugh! Now
you
I have
gotta
to
do
do
it all
this
again.
again.
And then you jump back, do it again.
Well, hey, at least
Jump
that's...
up, kick back, whip around.
Is this
and
Willie
then-
the time? Is this Willie the time?
Yeah, can you jump back, do it again?
I'm done.
And then you
Oh
jump
no!
up.
No!
Please say that you don't have to recollect everything.
I do. No!
You
have 21 deaths, and now this.
Okay.
Attempt 50 out of... I don't
That's 21. Just stand on one and you'll be fine.
Please, dive.
Just stand on it.
Ah!
I said just stand on it, you'll be fine. Just stand on
Up! I don't want
Stand
to...
on
Do not...
it.
No!
Give me.
No, I can do
Gimme.
it. If I don't do it, I will do this. I will get this level done. If it's
Just stand
if it's
still.
the death-
Stand.
if it's the
Stand.
death of me.
Stand. Look. See?
Ah!
See how easy it was.
No. Go.
Go.
Okay, nearly messed that up.
Now you
Again.
just had to fall straight through.
Why? How hard can it be?
Then these died.
As we've died about 15 times on this stinking
Wait,
level.
you gotta go back every
Ooh,
time you die.
yes,
You gotta
okay.
go back.
Like,
Okay, now fly between them. Fly.
No!
Stop. Drop. Oh! My turn. Okay, my turn.
Fine, go on, Pink. Go.
Beep.
What is
Oh,
that?
what a...
What? I don't even... Okay, just go, okay? Oh, it's a bouncy thing.
Whoa!
Just go.
Whee!
I think that was impale you, so try not to... You have to walk under them. Oh, no!
Ah!
You had to go
I
down
know what
here.
I gotta do. Gotta trick it. Whee!
Okay, no. You can't get up there. You can't get
Yes,
up there.
I can.
No,
I
you
can
can't.
do
You have
it.
to go that
I can
way.
do it. I can do it.
You really can't get up there.
Tweet.
Okay, now bounce
Tweet.
climb.
Tweet.
Okay, go. Okay, now.
Huh.
Okay, where's the spiky thing?
Woo. Wah. Wait. Okay, try that again. Queen sleep.
Wow, this clean sweep. It's going so good, isn't it?
I got you saying queen now.
Oh, be quiet.
Eat.
Oh. Oh, those are gonna fall. Oh, you have to make them fall. Go. You only have one shot at this.
All that for a crown?
Yes, all that for a crown. What I did for a crown. But at least it's the end of the level.
What you do for a crown. Okay. One more. No, I want to do
time
it.
for
No,
Cupcake to
no,
dominate.
no.
Yes, it is.
You did the last two. No, let me just do one. One more.
Oh, do you have enemies now? Oh, no. We have to jump, don't we? Just jump. Just go.
Tweet.
Just do it.
Oh,
Boy.
boy.
Just go. Do we like have to jump on it?
I don't want to test it. One.
Okay.
Ha, you
look.
hit your head. Okay, your turn. Your turn.
Okay, let's go. What? Oh no! I'm done.
No!
Goodbye. I'm done.
No!
I'm done with this game.